day 15 out of 28, and today was simple. No big speech, no deep message, just a smoothie run and a moment to breathe. And sometimes that's okay. Not every day is going to be loud. Not every day is going to feel productive. But showing up, even in the quiet moments, still counts. Because consistency isn't about doing the most. It's about doing something, even when you don't feel like it. Even when you have nothing to say. Today reminded me that progress doesn't always look exciting. Sometimes it looks like rest, reset, and just being present. So this is your reminder. You don't have to be perfect, just be consistent. Day 15, still showing up.